All right, y'all. So welcome to Prosperous Pulse. This video is about working remotely, how you could work as a digital nomad. So why you should work as a digital nomad, pretty much it gives you the flexibility and the freedom to work from anywhere with an internet connection. So if you're tired of the daily grind, if you're tired of being stuck on the train or on the bus, and you tell yourself, okay, it wouldn't affect my work if I don't show up at the office. Can I travel and maintain the same work output? All right. So I started working as a digital nomad since 2016, 2017, and now we're in 2023. And I want to introduce to you the 5 strategies on working as a digital nomad. All right. So the first thing that you need to think about is, okay, what's my skill set? Can my skill set still be performed at a high level without interacting? The second step would be to connect with other digital nomads, whether it's through Discord, Facebook. There's a lot of groups out there. You could also connect with other entrepreneurs that live that lifestyle just to basically exchange ideas and get the most information that you can. Now, the third strategy would be financial management. You need to budget expenses. Even though you might be going to a country that your money goes further, you need to create a well-planned budget and stick to it. The very, very important thing is your business trips, all the equipment that you're purchasing, whether it's a laptop, equipment, cameras, these things are tax write-offs. So pretty much, the third strategy is financial management. So the fourth strategy revolves around technology. Okay. Technology, you need to make sure that you get good quality, reliable equipment. Make sure that you have very, very stable internet, because that's the biggest challenge as a nomad, as a digital nomad. The speeds that we get in North America is not going to be the same when you travel. So before you get an Airbnb or a hotel, always that should be like at the very top of your list. Top 3 as far as the internet speed. Do your research on that, because if you have a meeting and your connection keeps going in and out, it's not a good look. All right. So I'm going to put a link in the description, but I got a device. Something that you could get is a router. I'm looking at it right now. It's what you call a GLI router. It's something I purchased. It's worked great. It emulates your home connection. It's a lot safer than connecting to a hotel connection or a Airbnb connection. Okay. So, and also, like, even if you want to watch your Netflix, your Hulu, your Disney, and you're in Southeast Asia, you might not get the same features. You might not get the same selection. So having a little device like that, it fits. It's like it would fit in your back pocket pretty much. So fourth strategy is investing in top of the line and great equipment, internet connection, things that will allow you to do your work seamlessly as if you were back home. All right. Now, the last thing I would say is invest in relaxing, like self-care, because it could be stressful. It sounds hot working remotely, but it could be stressful because there's the uncertainty when you're far, far away from your home. You're going from place to place, hotel or Airbnb. There's a lot of things and logistics that go into that. So just take the time to relax, take the time to hit the beach if you want to. Being abroad, working remotely is half of it. But if you're abroad and you're working like 11, 12 hours a day, then you might as well be back home. All right. So, make sure that you take care of yourself while you're away. And let me know in the comments if you're already a digital nomad, if you're thinking of being a digital nomad, what destination that you're thinking about. So thanks for watching this video. Hope it was informative, and see you on the next one. All right. It's Prosperous Pulse. Peace out.